Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I'd love it if you'd subscribe down below and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. So for today's video, I did this cute perm rod set and I showed you guys the products that I used, which were the Lottabody Wrap Me Foaming Mousse and their Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk. And I figured you guys always want to know like how to moisturize your hair, products to use. You know, you guys like my product recommendations. So I decided to try out these two products. I've heard a lot about them. A lot of people love this for their rod sets and this is a holy grail for so many people. Curl and Style Milk, the claims are it defines your curls, tames your frizz and add moisture and brilliant shine. It's for all hair types and you can use this on damp, towel dried or dry hair. And the Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, it creates soft wraps, defines curls, tames frizz. It's for all hair types and you can use this to do your wrapping, your molding, your rod sets, or you can just use it to define your curls. Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk, I definitely love this product. I feel like it hydrates my hair, gives me a lot of moisture and shine. You guys saw when I applied it to my hair and I did it in sections before going in with the foaming mousse, and I really love this Curl and Style Milk. You guys know me, I like hair milks, so this one is definitely up there with my other favorites. Foaming mousse, this is the first time using mousse on my hair since I've been natural. First time doing a rod set. This mousse, it definitely gives you like a soft hold, but if you want a stronger hold, I feel like you could just apply more of it. It will definitely give you a stronger hold. And why my hair is so soft and moisturized as well is because I did go in with the Curl and Style Milk. In the tutorial you guys see me do my perm rods and I did it in sections. I did use 3 different size perm rods. The largest ones were at the back, the short ones but the same size were in the middle, and then the skinny longer ones were at the front. And I did medium size sections. I did start off with a struggle, but what's new, that's kind of my thing. But it's my first time doing a perm rod set on my natural hair. So in the back sections, which is where I have more body and less definition, it's because I did not use as much mousse as towards the front, and you guys will see that when I got towards doing the middle and the front of my hair, I rolled the perm rod and then applied mousse at the ends while my hair was on the rod, and I figured that that's the perfect way to do it. And yeah, you guys should keep that in mind. I also want to try this rod set on completely wet hair and see, because I feel like I would get better results. My hair was freshly washed but it was damp, and yeah, I also twisted the root of my hair. You guys are probably wondering why I did that. This is not a twist and curl, it's a perm rod set. I just twisted the roots of my hair to give me a little bit more length on my hair so that my hair wouldn't completely shrink up when I took out my perm rods, and it was definitely successful. I do have some hang time. I feel like if I did not twist my roots, my hair would be a lot more shrunken and everything like that, and I know my hair is going to get bigger as the days go by. guys can see, I did separate my hair quite a bit, and I have most of my definition towards the front, which I am very, very happy about, which was the aim and everything like that. So I am obsessed. The back, I definitely have like looser curls, more stretch, and yeah, I'm feeling it. I hope that this was helpful for you guys. This is not necessarily a tutorial, I'm just showing you guys how I did a perm rod set and the products that I used to achieve that. So guys, that was my perm rod set. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I am really, really liking these products. I feel like this mousse, it gives me like good definition but soft, movable hair. And if I wanted to be a stronger hold, I could use less of the hair milk, more of the mousse. And I love the hair milk. You guys know I love hair milks. And this is super moisturizing. It makes my hair really easy to detangle. And the best thing about these products is that you don't have to break the bank to get them. These are affordable, and that was the aim. I wanted to use some affordable products, show you guys that you can, you know, buy some affordable stuff and get the job done. And I love them so much, and I can see why they are a lot of persons' holy grail products. I definitely think that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of them. You guys know how I feel about hair milks, and I want to do more rod sets because that was kind of my thing when I was transitioning. So this mousse is gonna come in very clutch. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next upload.